Are you tired of struggling to find the right kitchen utensils or your favorite shirt in a dimly lit closet? Say goodbye to those frustrating moments with the best under-cabinet wireless lights. In this video, we will be showcasing the top-rated under-cabinet wireless lights that will transform your kitchen and closets into bright and functional spaces. Whether you're cooking up a storm or searching for your favorite outfit, these lights will provide the perfect illumination. If you're looking for a hassle-free lighting solution that can enhance the ambience and functionality of your space, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing our top picks based on real customer feedback and hands-on testing. We've scoured the market for the most reliable, durable, and efficient wireless lights that can brighten up your countertops, shelves, and cabinets without any messy wires or complicated installation. So sit back, relax, and let us shed some light on the best options available for your needs and budget. The Unveiling cabinet light features a detachable battery that has a 1500 mAh capacity and can last up to 90 days in auto mode or up to 33 hours when constantly lit. The battery is also conveniently designed for easy recharging. This under-cabinet light is ultra-thin, measuring only 10 mm thick, and is made from well-crafted anodized aluminum. It also has magnets integrated into the back, allowing it to snap securely onto the mounting strip or any magnetic metal surface with ease. The lighting system comes with both motion and daylight sensors. The motion sensor automatically switches on the lights when movement is detected within 10 feet. The daylight sensor ensures that the LED closet light does not turn on until needed, detecting when there is still enough daylight. The auto mode conserves energy by turning off the closet lights if no movement is detected after 15 seconds. The Unveiling under-cabinet light features 3 cycle modes. Auto mode for general use, always on, when tapped twice for emergency situations, and always off, when tapped 3 times to keep it turned off. The auto on mode also turns off the lights every 30 minutes to prevent unintentional power consumption. The lighting system has touch controls for easy interaction and elegant design. Single tap for manual on or off toggling. Press and hold for brightness adjustment, and a single tap to reset the under-cabinet lights to auto mode anytime. Overall, this under-cabinet lighting system is a highly functional and versatile product with convenient features, making it a great choice for any homeowner. One review is from a customer who has used the light for a year and reports that the sensor has become less sensitive and that the light's battery doesn't last as long as it used to. They are still happy with their purchase and would buy it again. Another customer installed the light in hallways and bathrooms and found them useful. They also mentioned that some lights have a longer charge than others. A third customer used the light for cupboards and found that they work great, are long-lasting, and can adjust the brightness. Another customer initially purchased the light to illuminate a lectern, but the light automatically shuts off after 30 minutes, even when switched to always on, which did not work for the application. The light is sturdy and bright, so they decided to keep it and found other uses for it. The Unveiling LED closet lights are a great addition to any home, especially the kitchen. These lights are brighter and whiter than other under-counter lights, making them perfect for illuminating your workspaces without hurting your eyes. With 10% to 100% brightness levels available, these stick-on closet lights are dimmable and have 3 modes. Under motion sensor mode and dark environment, these lights will automatically sense human motion within 10 feet range and shut off after 25 seconds of no movement. These battery-operated lights have a built-in 1100 mAh rechargeable battery that is USB-C rechargeable and compatible with any USB ports on your computer, adapter, or USB outlet. It only takes 3 hours to fully charge and lights up for 30 days on motion sensor mode, activated 10 times a day, or 5 to 10 hours on always-on mode, depending on your brightness setting. Installation is a breeze with the built-in magnet that can stick on any ironwork, or use the included 3M tapes to adhere this LED cabinet light to any non-iron surface. Customers love the practical design features of these lights. The 12-inch model is ordered for the countertop, while the 8-inch model is moved to the clothes closet. They have a long-lasting rechargeable feature and work in both the daytime and nighttime. Customers appreciate that the lights can serve as a preparedness plan in case of a power outage, and that the countertop light stays charged with the use of a slightly longer charging cable. The lights are praised for their convenience in providing much-needed light in areas without electricity. They are placed in closets, shelves, and art studios. However, some customers report that the lights only last for about 5 hours, which is not ideal for constant lighting. One customer had to contact the company for a replacement after one light did not work, but eventually received it and still recommends the lights. The product has some design issues that customers report, such as short battery life and a faulty light. But the customer service seems to be helpful in resolving the issues. Overall, the reviewers find these lights to be a useful and high-quality product. The so-called upgrade remote control cabinet light is a versatile and convenient lighting solution for any space. These cabinet lights feature 10 pure white LEDs with 110 lm and 10 warm LEDs with 110 lm, providing ample lighting options. These lights are compact and lightweight, perfect for adding auxiliary lighting in corners where bulb installation is inconvenient. Equipped with a remote control, these wireless under-cabinet lights offer a variety of options. Users can choose between 3 different color temperatures and 10 levels of brightness. The remote control also allows for stepless dimming, and users can set the lights to turn off automatically from 15 to 60 minutes. Additionally, the lights have an auto-off feature after 90 minutes if there is no timer set. For easy control, these cabinet lights also have a touch switch that enables users to turn them on or off, change the color and brightness. The rechargeable closet light is easy to install with the built-in adhesive magnetic strip, and the 800 mAh rechargeable battery can be fully charged in just 2 hours. After being fully charged, the light can last for about 6 hours in 100% brightness and last 10 hours in 50% brightness on auto mode. The so-called light is suitable for a variety of applications, including bedrooms, baby rooms, counters, kitchens, garages, gun safes, basements, closets, stairs, hallways, and cupboards. Overall, these lights are an excellent choice for anyone seeking versatile and convenient lighting solutions for their home or office. This light has received mixed reviews on Amazon, with one reviewer praising the ease of use and the aesthetic value the lights bring to their kitchen, while another reviewer criticizes the light's sensitivity to light and the distance needed to trigger the motion sensor. The latter reviewer suggests that the product is better suited as a night light rather than under cabinet lighting. The reviewer also comments on the battery door being flimsy, but praises the adhesive strip as top-notch. Another reviewer had a positive experience with the product, finding the lights to be easy to use and well described. They praised the magnetic backing and strong adhesive and found the product to be worth the money. They plan to buy more of the lights in the future. In conclusion, while the lights received positive reviews for their easy-to-use remote control, adhesive strips, and aesthetic value, the product's sensitivity to light and distance needed to trigger the motion sensor were criticized by some users. Thanks for watching. Let's know what you think about this video in the comment section. Also, let us know what other products you would like us to review. Our affiliate links to these products are provided in the video description. I'll see you in the next video.